Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to create a digital planner to sell on Etsy using Canva. So first thing, open Canva, which is a popular online graphic design tool that allow users to create a various type of visual content. So it offers a user-friendly interface in the wide range of pre-designed templates. And once you are here, you can open an account. So first thing you do on Canva is sign up for an account. So you can try Canva for free, or you can try Canva Pro to access to more pro elements and pro templates. So once you open an account, then you can choose a design type, and today we are searching for a digital planner. All we need to do is tap on this search bar that you see here, and you can write here digital planner, and it will take you to this page. And here guys, Canva presents you with a lot of pre-designed templates that you can choose from and start customizing. So you can browse through the templates and choose the one that suits your needs, or start with a blank canvas if you prefer to create your design from like scratch. So once you choose your template, like I did, I already choose the simple one and I will customize it. So you can, if you have an idea, you can apply it here. You can change whatever you want here. So we will change these. So first thing, the image, of course, I will change that image. And all you need to do is tap on the elements and you will find this icon and tap on it. And then you can go to uploads, and here guys, if you ever used Canva, you will find all the picture you have used here, and you can click on upload file and upload your own file, your own pictures I mean. And here we will use a picture like this one. And first thing, we will change the text to switch the theme, and we will go with another text style like this, and also we will go with another color, I think so. So let's choose another color and we will see. And here you have effects, and let's choose another text from here. Because it's a colorful wallpaper, I want to add like I think we'll go with this one. And then tap on the other one, and you can also change the text style from here. Before changing the text style, changing the colors so we see what we are doing. And let's go with another text style. I think I will put it here to be more clear, or I will change the colors. Also the effects. Also the text. Style now. Like this. Now you can go to elements, and you can go here, and here guys you can choose elements that you want to add. So like you see here, you have a lot of things that you can add, and like stickers and more things like these. And let's try something like this, and they will give you more things like that. So I will go with these, and you can also change the colors of these if you want to. So you can add graphics and stickers until you are satisfied with your design. And the last one, let's go with colorful one. No, and I think we will go with this one and change the color of and we will delete this one, and here you go, for example. So guys, like you see, you can add wherever you want to add on using Canva. You can add more stickers, more things, and keep changing your design. So for example, now you are done, you can go to the second page, you can do the same, and like you see here, you can keep customizing your design until you are satisfied with it. And this is it. For example, now you are satisfied with your design. All you need to do is tap on here and tap on here and tap on here, the file type, choose, and tap on download. And also, this is it guys for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you on the next video.